I'm going to show you how I made some tacos on my Discada. First, I used a little bit of bacon fat. Then I put on some leftover pork and stirred it around until it was well coated in the bacon fat. I let this cook for a while and then mixed in some taco seasoning.
Some tacos.
Once I thought it was done, I moved it to the outer edge of the Discada. Then I added some tomatoes, onions, and jalapenos. I moved the veggies to the outside and left the tomatoes in the center to cook longer. We used the hot Discada to warm up the tortillas. When everything was done, we assembled our tacos.
Coming out.
Here's the finished product. Thanks for watching.